Hello everyone. So now in this video we will see about the draw tools for the staircase. So you can see these are the draw tools for the staircase. So first I will select this state one. So once I just selected the state staircase, so I can just change the number of risers from here. If I just wanted to increase or decrease the number of riser, I can just do it from here. So currently you can see when the number of riser is 22, then the actual riser height is 181.8. If I just change the number here, see, if I just make it 30, so you can see to adjust this design number of riser, this riser height will decrease. See, let me click on this apply. See, this riser height is decreased. Now it 133.3. So now let's see how to draw the staircase. I need to click on the screen. See, now it is showing the boundary. So now see, I can just draw the staircase in this manner. If I just wanted to stop in between, I can just stop in between also. If I just wanted to reach till top, I can just reach till top also. See what if I just stop in between? See, I'm done with my staircase. Now let me show you from the east view. So you can see the base level for this staircase is at level 1 and see you can see from here also base level is at level 1 and top levels must be at level 2. So for that you just need to be match the actual number and design number. We have seen this thing in previous lecture in pretty good manner. So you can see if I just click on this staircase. See on the left here on the property palette, more tools are open. See here in the constraint, begin with riser. If this one is tick, then your staircase construction will start from the riser. See second one, end with riser. If this one is tick, then your staircase will terminate from the riser. Otherwise, it will end with trade. Once I just done with this, so I will just click on this OK. See, it is showing a kind of warning. So this warning is basically showing this one, this top end is not connected to this level 2, right? So now let me delete this one. Now let's see this full step spiral staircase. Once I just click on this, so you can see I can just increase or decrease the number of risers from here, right? So let me make it as 35. I just click on the screen. So you can see now I can just choose the radius for the staircase. So you can see the radius is showing from the center of the staircase. We can just change this value. See if I just click on this exterior support left. So you can see the radius is taking from the exterior support left. If I just change it to exterior support right, then the radius value is taking from the exterior support right. Once I just done with my staircase, so I will just click on the screen. See, the staircase is casted. So we have just taken total 35 numbers. We can just confirm it from here. See, total 35 numbers on the top. See, so in this way we can just cast the staircase. So once I just done with staircase, before clicking on this finish button, if I just click on the staircase, you can see here are more tools each available. We have just seen this begin with riser and end with riser. Now let's see this one center mark visible. So you can see on the screen here this center mark is visible. If I just untick this one, see this center mark is not visible to me right now. If I just click on this, so you can see this plus sign center mark is visible, right? So if I just click on this finish now, yeah, now let me show you from this east view. So see your staircase has started from the level 1 and it is going till level 2. Now let me delete this one. Now let's see this center end spiral. So I will just click on the center end spiral and we can just change the number from here if we just wanted. So we can just change the radius value with respect to this location line and we can just increase or decrease the actual run width. If we just wanted to apply offset, we can just do that also. Now you can see, you can just manage the number of steps here. See, so you can see, you can just manage your number of steps here also. Let me go till the top. See, you have just started your staircase. So before clicking on OK, if you just wanted to make any more changes, you can just click here, and you can just make changes here. So now I will click on this OK. Now let's see this L-shape winder. Once I just selected this L-shape winder, I can just increase or decrease the number of risers from here. So let me put as 40. Once I just change the number here, so you can see actual riser height will also affect, right? See, now it is 100. Now I will just click on the screen. See, the stair has casted. Now if I just wanted to make any more changes, I will click on the staircase. See, more tools are available here. In the same manner, you can just draw this U-shape winder also.